Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I presume all of you have been listening to Fed Chair Powell's speech yesterday, and he signaled that rate cut remains possible later this year, which I'm confident it will happen, but he also emphasized caution due to the lingering inflation uncertainties, particularly around the impact of the upcoming tariff increases. So whilst we can anticipate rate cuts, he still said that there is no rush to cut interest rate and they were just based on the upcoming summer data. As usual, but I'm pretty confident that we'll see at least one interest rate cut later this year, which will perfectly act as a catalyst and will trigger the altcoin season that we've all been waiting for. And this actually even matches what has been happening historically. The top for Bitcoin occurs around September, October. It could not be exactly the same. And by all means, don't expect it to be the same day, the same minute, the same second. No. Look at it from a high level perspective. Look at it at periods. Years, months, not days, because it never plays out exactly as it has been in the past. After Powell's speech, of course, Trump commented again, and he said that again, Powell is way too late, and Europe has had 10 interest rate cuts and America has had 0 cuts so far. And he's encouraging everyone to make America great again, and the board should activate. So he's pushing a lot for it, but also the speech that Powell delivered, as usual, it was a little bit blunt, but at the same time, he didn't fully reject the idea of having interest rate cuts later this year. He said it's possible, and we'll see what the upcoming data is, especially in the summer, and based on that, they will decide. But I'm sure it's coming our way because the impact of the tariffs will be huge. And this is what I've been saying since the start. Trump was using the strong dollar to bargain the tariffs, but then this will have huge implication on USA moving forward once those tariffs are in place. So let's see. At the same time, we have Sei pumping. If you guys have been watching me, I called Sei before it actually started pumping, and I've been telling you Sei is a hidden gem. It's very undervalued. It has huge potential. Trump is accumulating. Actually, what also happened recently, Sei, they received the higher technical score, even higher than Ethereum, higher than Sui, in a key valuation, technical evaluation by the Wyoming, which is considering blockchains for a state-backed stablecoin pilot. And yes, Sei scored 30 out of 30, imagine, in the technical evaluation, the highest possible score. And the assessment covered areas like performance, scalability, cost efficiency, and security. Ethereum scored much lower due to high gas fees and scalability limitations. But Sei just nailed it. It actually it had a higher score than Solana and even higher score than Sui, if I have to be honest. Although Sui remains my favorite. But Sei, I've been telling you, it's very undervalued, hidden gem, and I'm happy for those who managed to buy. I think everyone on my Discord bought Sei before it pumped at 15 cents. So I'm very happy for those that are making huge profits right now. And if you want to join Discord, I'll drop a link to it in the comments and the description below. This is what happens when you've been in crypto for so long and you've learned through a lot of mistakes and losses. You actually start seeing things well in advance before they start pumping. You can tell, is this project worth it? Is it going to be successful or is it going to be a failure? This is what experience teaches you, but only if you stay for long enough and you're patient. You would be able to understand such good opportunities yourself before they come to the horizon, because this is how you make money in crypto, by catching something early enough. And we bought, Sei, at let's say 15 cents, now it's sitting at 33, that's already 2x. Those who put 5k, let's say, now they are sitting at 10k. And if you want to take your profits, that's fine, but for me, it's way too early. It's just the start for Sei. So yeah, that's where it sits. A great score, and this was one of the catalysts. This blockchain score was the catalyst for Sei to skyrocket. Also, I've been telling you that the blockchain doesn't lie, and we've been seeing Trump's family also accumulating Sei. And this was even before the catalyst occurred. So they definitely, for example, knew something, or they could see the potential. This is another way. If you track blockchains and you see where the money goes secretly, quietly, this is where you should go as well. Follow the money, follow the smart money and the institutions. So that's Sei. it's already skyrocketing. If you look at it, it's already sitting at 33 cents. But definitely if you look at it where it was last year and a couple of months ago, it's definitely going above $1 as a first target. And my other favorite project, Sui. Sui is slowly as well climbing up. It actually retested, it supported the 200 moving average line, and now it's bouncing back up and it's forming this beautiful falling wedge pattern. And usually after we have the falling wedge pattern, we bounce back up. It also touched the 200 moving average, and now it's gonna bounce back up very strong. And this is what it did previously as well. You can see it's a very, very similar pattern. So Sui tends to arrange within those falling wedges and then bounce back up even harder. I personally think that Sui will go as a first target $4 from here and then $7. And it can definitely continue climbing. But what is happening right now, a lot of people will be selling or taking profits of Sui, especially those that bought in early, to buy Sei, because people like to chase hype, especially retail investors. They would be doing that. They would be selling all the projects they've got now to chase the pump for Sei, which is okay if they want to do that. I don't advise it. I would advise stick to your bags, because chasing hype, you might make some profits. You don't have the long-term vision there. You're gonna eventually Sei would drop a little bit, it will correct, and it will continue the rally, I'm sure. But you need to wait a little bit for the right opportunity to buy in. You can definitely buy, because you don't want to miss out if it never drops, although it would. There is no such thing as, just going straight up. There will be ups and downs. I would say if you want to enter, by all means do, but wait for a small dip and use that opportunity. So Sui, yep, definitely first target $4 and then $7, and this is where we would be taking profits. If you want to join Discord to see when we're selling, feel free to join, and when we're buying as well, that's very important, the entry points. That's for me today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.